job at hand today is to split some wood. I'm using this new splitter that I bought for $300, supposedly all reconditioned, but I noticed it does have a hydraulic leak, so it's going to be nice to put this thing through its paces some more and see how she does. But we're going to get it fired up, warmed up. The wood I got to split is behind there, so I don't think there's much of it, but there's some. See how many pulls it takes. There's 1, 2. got to stack it. I didn't stack it over there. I just kind of threw it in the woodshed. We'll get it stacked up. It's not that much, so it won't take that long. We'll walk over there. I'll show you what we're up against here. It's been a good little splitter. I mean, it's only like the third time I've used it. That includes the first time I test used it. So this is what we got. What I just split basically is everything from there, kind of around here, and then this little mashed up pile right here. So we're going to get it stacked kind of over in this general vicinity. Basically, the way I have this set up is all of that is hardwood, and everything we just split is hardwood. Everything else is softwood. It's all pine. And the reason why is because it was free. And have a look at this. Look what I found. How cool is that? It's a quartz crystal. I found it sitting on the ground right there. I don't know if it came out of a piece of wood or what. But anyway, we'll get set up and we'll start stacking. All right. We don't have to be perfect here because we don't need room for any more. This is it. This is all the firewood she's going to be using for the year. Because she doesn't exclusively burn wood. She has a regular heater too that she uses quite often, so this is just kind of for the ambiance, I guess. But you know, I'll talk while I'm stacking here. I really enjoy firewood work, be it cutting, splitting, burning it in the winter. I enjoy every aspect of it, and loading it up, hauling it around. And I don't know, it takes a different type of person, that's for darn sure. If I had more energy, I would absolutely be doing just firewood. That's it, just firewood. Maybe others fire related stuff like stove maintenance or something, or chimney cleaning. I just enjoy everything about it. I'll tell you what though, hard work, hard work. But of course, those of you that already do it, you already know it's hard work, so I don't need to tell you that. Get this all stacked, and then we'll move on to the next job. This isn't going to take but a few minutes. You guys ever had a tennis elbow? I had it, I know I've mentioned it before. I had it in this elbow and I still do. I don't know if you could see that little bump there. It's still there. But the pain is numbed a lot. It doesn't hinder me anymore. Some days I couldn't do anything. Well, unfortunately, a few days ago, I got it in the other elbow, and it's bugging me. Any sort of, just this right here. And those of you that have had it, you know, squeezing, picking something up and squeezing, whatever flexes these muscles. I don't know what these are, but whatever flexes those, that's what really aggravates it. God, it hurts. But the bad thing is you can't let it stop you, you know, because if it stops you, you're dead. So you got to keep going. I can't wait. You guys saw the video. I got the stove at home all cleaned out and ready to fire up for the year. We're just waiting for Mother Nature to get cold enough to allow it. I don't know when that's going to happen. It's supposed to be 90 today. Go figure. It's almost Halloween and it's 90 today. That's ridiculous. almost done. So I don't know if I told you guys, I bought that splitter for $300. Maybe I mentioned that at the beginning of this video. I don't remember. It was a great deal. It was supposedly all reconditioned. I don't know who did the reconditioning though. I've noticed there's a couple things. I kind of tuned it up, changed the oil and everything when I first got it. I figured that was just good practice. I've got a hydraulic leak, but I think that might be the return hose, I think. So that's not that big of a deal. I think it's just leaking because there's where the hose clamp is. All right, let's take a look. There you have it. Firewood's all stacked up, split, done, ready to go. I think this is where we're going to end this video. And keep these little pieces to help start the fire. Yeah, I think this is where we're going to end this one and start the next one. I'm pretty much done here. I'm sure I could find something else to do. I'm going to go leave the crystal up on their patio. That's kind of neat. I don't see any gold in it, but it's a cool looking. What do you think? What's that look like in the camera? I can't see because I gotta take my gloves off. My screen turns off. Look at that. It's awesome looking, eh? Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe if you haven't already. We're done splitting and we'll see you next time. Thanks a million, everyone.